Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, as you know that our multiplication topic is in process. Now we have to start multiplying a two-digit number with each other. So let's start page number 46, question number 1. One thing that if you are feasible to solve this question on your book, then you can solve it. Otherwise, you have to solve on your copy. It's your own choice. A part, question number 1. First is 59 multiplied by 58. 8 9 is 72. 7 carry. 8 5 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. Then 5 9 is 45. 4 carry. 5 5 is 25. 25 and 4 29. At last we have to add them. 2. 7 and 5 2 and 2. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. 5 and 9 14. 4. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. So 59 multiplied by 58 equals to 3422. Students, please turn on your cameras, all of you, and don't turn off them. B part of this question is 48 into 79. 9 8 is 72. 7 carry. 9 4 is 36. 36 and 7 43. 7 8 is 56. 5 carry. 7 4 is 28. 28 and 5 33. At last we have to add 2, 69, 47, 3 and 58 multiplied by 79 equals to 3792.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
C part is
Khan
78 into 25. 5 8 are 40. 5 7 is 25 and 4 39. 2 8 are 16. 1 carry. 2 7 are 41 15. 0 9 and 6 15. 1 carry. 5 and 4 9. 1 as it is. So 78 multiplied by 25 equals to 1950. D part is 856 multiplied by 62. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 5 are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 8 are 16, 1 17. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 5 are 30 and 3 33. 3 carry, 6 8 are 48 and 3 51.
सर आपका वो पिछली क्लास वाला कौन सा
6 and 1 7, 7 3 10, 1 carry 1 2 3 and last is 5. So 856 multiplied by 62 equals to 53072. E part of this question is 329 into 84. 4 9 is 36, 3 carry. 4 to the 8 and 3 11, 1 carry. 4 to the 12 and 1, 13. 8 9 is 72, 7. 8 to the 16, 16 and 7, 23. 2 carry. 8 3s are 24 and 2, 26. 6, 3, 6, 7, 2. So 329 into 84 equals to 27636. F part is 203 into 74. Fourth is a 12, 1, 4 is a 0, 1, 4 2 is a 8, 7 is a 21, 2 carry, 7 0 0, 2, and 7 2 is a 14. Lastly, we have to add them 2, 2, 0, 5, and 1. So 203 into 74 equals to 15022. Now the question number 1 is completed. Now question number 2, solve each of the following. Only few parts I will do for you, remaining you have to solve by yourself. A part of question 2, 5, 5, 6, 7 multiplied by 42. This is multiplication of 4-digit and 2-digit number. So first of all, we will multiply with 2, 2 7 are 14, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, 1 carry, 2 5 are 10 11, 1 carry, 2 5 are 10 and 1 11. Now set 4, 4 7 are 28, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 24 and 2 26, 2 carry, 4 5 are 20 and 2 22, 2 carry, 4 5 are 20 and 2 22. Now we have to add them. 3, 8 3 11, 1 carry, 6 7 8, 2 and 1 3, 2 and 1 3 and 2. Next, E part I am going to solve. 9856 multiplied by 52. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 5 are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 8 are 16, 1 17, 1 carry, 2 9 are 18, and 1 19. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 5 are 25, and 3 28, 2 carry, 5 8 are 40, and 2 42, 4 carry, 5 9 are 45, and 4 49. Lastly, we have to add 2 1 5, 1 carry, 12, 1 carry, 11, 1 carry, 5. Next is I part. This is the last part I'm going to solve for you. Remaining parts you have to do by yourself. 7 5 1 2 multiplied by 66.
ज़्यादा कुछ से पहले मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन नहीं लेता ज़्यादा कुछ क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं आपसे क्वेश्चन
Then wait for it and wait after lecture. I will ask you a question. 6 to the 12, 1 carry, 6 1 the 6 and 1 7, 6 5 the 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 7 the 42 and 3 45. 6 to the 12, 1 carry, 6 1 the 6 1 7, 6 5 the 30, 3 carry, 6 7 the 42 and 3 45. Plus 2 9 7 5 9 4. Now move on page number 47. Question number 3. Answer these problems. A part is a cinema has 23 rows of seats with 42 seats in each row. How many seats are there in total? This means that we have to multiply by both figures to find our required answer. So let's multiply 42 into 23. 3 to the 6, 3 4 the 12, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, plus 6, 6, 9. So there are 966 seats in cinema. Please write down the statement also. There are 966 seats in cinema. B part of this question is Asif pays rupees 85 each month into a saving account. How much will he have saved in 3 years? 3 years means 36 months. Next figure for multiplication is not 3, this is 36 months. So we have to multiply 85 and 36. Keep in mind, if you use 3, your answer will be wrong. Because 85 rupees is of per month, not of per year. $85 into 36. 6 5 are 30, 3 carry, 6 is the 48 and 3 51. 3 5 is 15. 1 carry, 3 8 is the 24 and 1 25. 0 6 0 1 carry 3. So the answer statement is Asif saved is 3016 in 3 years. C part is there are 132 pages in a math book with 36 questions on each page. How many questions are there in total? We have to find out the total number of questions after multiplying 132 and 36. 132 and 36. 6 to the 12, 1 carry. 6 to the 18, 1 19, 1 carry, 6 1 6 and 1 7. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 1 the 3. Add 2, 9 6 15, 1 carry, 17, 1 carry and 4. There are 4752 questions in math book. Last part of question number 3 is a bus company has 47 buses. Each bus can hold 52 passengers. What is the maximum number of people that the bus company could take? So let's multiply 52 and 47. 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 5 35, 1 36. 4 to the 8, 4 5 the 20. 4, 8 and 6, 14. 3 plus 1, 4 and 2. The bus company could take maximum 2,444 passengers. Last page number 48 topic is multiply again, but this time we have to multiply a single number and a decimal number. Question number 1, A part is 3.85 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry. 8 8 is 64 and 4 68, 6 carry. 8 3 is 24 and 6 30. Remember that whenever we multiply a decimal and a constant number, answer will always in decimal form. But how can we make this number a decimal? So the number which is in decimal form, you can count the digits after decimal 1 and 2. This means that there are 2 digits after decimal in your answer. From extreme right side, we will count 2 digits, and then after 2 digits we will make a point. So our correct answer is 30.80. B part is 4.09 into 7. 4.09 multiplied by 7. 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 700, 6 as it is, 7 4s are 28. Once again, there are 2 digits after decimal. In answer from extreme right side, we will leave 2 digits, 1, 2, then make a point. C part is 5.97 multiplied by 3. 3 7 are 21, 2 carry, 3 9 are 27 and 2 29, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15 and 2 17. After 2 digits from left right side, we have to place point because there are 2 digits after decimal in the given question. D part is 5.8.67 into 5. 5 7 is 35. 3 carry, 5 6 is 30, 30 and 3 33. 3 carry, 8 5 is 40 and 3 43. E part is 6.35 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 carry. 9 3s are 27 and 4 31. 3 carry. 9 6 are 54 and 3 57. Once again from right side we have to include digits. Then we have to place decimal point because in the question there are 2 digits after decimal. Last part of this question is 8.67, which is F part. 8.67 into 7. 7 7 are 49, 4 carry. 7 6 are 42, 42 and 4 46. Again 4 carry. 7 8 are 56 and 4 60. From right side we have to leave 2 digits and then we have to place decimal point. Students, also note down your diary. You have to solve page number 46, question 1, 2. It's up to you. Either you have to solve on your notebook or on your textbook. It's up to you. Then page number 47, question 3 on your need copy. And page number 48, question 1 and 2 on your need copies. Now, if you have any problem with today's lecture, please raise your hands one by one to sort out your query.